Most people think their financial life will change one day. They imagine a promotion, a business idea, an investment that finally works. But the truth is, for most people, nothing dramatic ever happens. Life doesn't collapse, it doesn't explode either. It just continues. Bills get paid, months roll over, years pass quietly. And then one day, usually much later than expected, something unsettling appears. Not panic, not crisis, clarity.
It usually doesn't happen during a crisis. You're not broke, you're not desperate, you're not failing. You're just tired. Tired of working hard but not seeing the results you expected. Tired of doing the right things and still feeling slightly behind. Tired of telling yourself it'll pay off eventually. That moment is dangerous because it feels safe enough to ignore, but expensive enough to regret later. That's often the moment people either change direction or stay stuck.
Why hard work stops working? At some point, many people run into an uncomfortable realization. They did everything they were told to do. They studied, they worked hard, they stayed consistent, they played it safe. And yet, time starts to feel expensive. Weeks pass quickly, years feel busy but not meaningful. The problem isn't laziness. Most people are working harder than ever. The real issue is leverage. Hard work without structure doesn't compound. It only repeats. You trade time for money again and again. And when effort never turns into ownership, ambition slowly drains. Not because people stop caring, but because they stop seeing progress. That's when people don't quit work. They quietly quit hope.
There's a quiet change that separates people who build real wealth from those who only achieve stability. At first, everyone asks the same question: how do I earn more? But at some point, the question shifts to something far more important. What continues to work when I stop? That's where everything changes. They focus on skills that scale beyond their time. Income that isn't tied to hourly effort. Assets that don't require permission to exist. This isn't hustle culture. It's not about doing more. It's about design, intentionally structuring life so effort compounds instead of resets. Most people stay busy. A few people build systems that keep moving even when they don't. That's the silent shift. Digital skills as a turning lever. This is where digital skills quietly enter the picture, not as a trend, not as a shortcut, but as a lever. A way to apply the same effort and get a different result. Digital skills change the relationship between time and income. They don't just help you earn, they help you position. With the right digital skill, you gain location flexibility. Your income is no longer locked to one place or one employer. You gain diversification, multiple income streams instead of a single point of failure. And most importantly, you gain asymmetric upside, where the best outcomes far outweigh the effort required. One skill can be used repeatedly without starting from zero each time. One system can turn effort into something that lasts beyond the moment you stop working. That's why the modern wealth path doesn't begin with money. Money is the output. It begins with capability, the ability to create value that isn't limited by hours, borders, or permission. Digital skills aren't magic, they're leverage.
The question that changes direction. Here's the question most people never slow down enough to ask themselves. If nothing changes, am I actually okay with where this leads? Not next year, not 5 years, 20. It's uncomfortable because it removes excuses. No sudden breakthrough, no lucky break, just the honest trajectory of your current choices. This question isn't meant to scare you, it's meant to orient you. Because most people don't choose a direction, they drift into one. Days turn into routines, routines turn into years, and suddenly the outcome feels surprising, even though it was predictable. Clarity doesn't arrive with urgency or noise. It doesn't shout. It doesn't rush you. It arrives quietly. It sits there, and it waits for you to either listen or keep moving past it. That moment, when you notice it, is where direction actually changes.
Wealth rarely comes from dramatic decisions. It comes from subtle ones made early and honored consistently. The people who win long-term aren't louder, faster, or luckier. They're clearer. Clear about direction, clear about leverage, clear about what matters. And once clarity arrives, the next steps stop feeling overwhelming. They feel obvious.
If this message feels like it hit home, that's no accident. It's your inner voice calling for change. And here's the truth. Staying the same won't get you anywhere new, but taking action will. That's exactly why thousands of people just like you have already broken free from living paycheck to paycheck by following a simple, proven blueprint. You don't need special skills, you don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or click the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?